Nightingales are linked to Britain, known for their secretive behavior within dense bushes, and their melodious song is celebrated as one of nature's most beautiful sounds. Insects, such as wasps, green grasshoppers, and spiders, serve as vital protein sources for growing chicks. However, when a snake approached their nest, the baby birds cried for their mother. Just when they thought danger was imminent, the mother bird arrived and saved them from the approaching snake. A hawk dove to the ground near a pond, scanning the area for potential prey. When it landed, the hawk adopted an unusual position in the bushes, preparing to snatch a duck. However, a red-winged blackbird tormented the hawk throughout, disrupting its plans to catch the duck. A horned owl peacefully perched on its nest was suddenly attacked by a red-tailed hawk. These two birds are sworn enemies, and the owl's ability to take off vertically and hover makes its attack surprising and powerful. This young male sparrow hawk managed to kill a magpie and is now plucking its feathers. Nature can be harsh, yet it remains fascinating. In the video, two eagles and two seagulls are seen. One eagle swoops down to snatch a seagull from just above the water, gripping it with powerful talons. The eagle circles the river to position itself for the attack, successfully grabbing the seagull from the water while in flight. These birds build nests in tree holes, roost on large mammals, and feed on insects and blood. In the video, a snake tries to access the bird's nest, but the bird's attempts to fend it off are unsuccessful. Crows and ravens have natural predators like hawks and owls. Hawks hunt them during the day, while owls go after them at night. Crows occasionally prey on hawks and owls, but don't eat them, serving more as pests than serious threats to hawks. It's a complex predator-prey dynamic in the avian world. In the video, a brown snake eagle initially perches on a spotted cobra, but is forced to retreat when the snake fights back, losing its element of surprise. Their keen eyesight helps them detect food from a distance, and while flying, these raptors often catch their prey by diving from high above. Galapagos ghost hawks have no natural enemies and often prey on Galapagos iguanas. These iguanas spend much time near the water and can flee to it when threatened. The hawks cannot handle the iguana's powerful jaws and teeth. The hunting intensifies when iguanas leave the coast, with females digging burrows to lay their eggs. The eagle targets a duck, but misses when it dives underwater. It captures a different duck, but releases it, allowing the duck to escape. The eagle plans its next attack from a perch. The lizard flees from the approaching danger, but the eagle's speed makes escape impossible. These motherless piglets are easy prey for an eagle, which confidently snatches them up. During an argument at the film festival, a pigeon and a seagull clashed over a movie. The seagull challenged the pigeon to step outside, leading to a scuffle. The seagull easily overpowered the pigeon and, with the pigeon in its mouth, took off to a less crowded area to avoid further attention. The corvet family comprises ravens, crows, rooks, jays, and magpies. Crows are often seen alone or in pairs, while jackdaws are more social creatures that prefer to live and travel in groups. This captures a rabbit, stands on it briefly, and tosses it to the ground before flying away. The rabbit appears to have a seizure, but eventually recovers. However, the doesn't return, and it's only a matter of time before the rabbit's suffering ends. Often take their time finishing. This battle is intense as the eagle takes on a massive goat. The goat runs down the mountain, trying to get rid of the attacking eagle. Despite their tumbles and crashing into rocks, the eagle remains stubborn and holds on. However, the goat's determination pays off as it drags the eagle on the ground, possibly damaging its wings. In the end, the goat escapes, and the eagle leaves empty-handed. Yellow-breasted dragons gather in groups in grasslands and bushes, known for nests woven from leaves, often in thorny trees or palm leaves. A snake is discovered near the nest by the mother bird and attacked, but it continues approaching the nest to feast on the young or eggs. Eagles are formidable predators, and smaller animals like cats are often defenseless against their talons. Caution is necessary for outdoor domestic cats, especially near forests. This video depicts eagle attacks on goats. Hawks usually don't go after cats, but they might if they're hungry enough. In the first video, a hawk seizes a smaller cat, squeezing its head with its talons. The cat struggles, but the hawk prevails and possibly carries it away to its nest. The eagle makes a dangerous landing on the ground, eyeing a lone baby in the park. Thankfully, the mother intervenes, and the eagle releases the baby before flying away. With exceptional vision, eagles can spot prey from great distances, ensuring a successful capture every time they land. An eagle aggressively attacks a mallard duck, drowning it by holding it underwater until it succumbs. However, when other ducks arrive, the eagle retreats. The eagle tries to retrieve its kill when the other ducks aren't looking, eventually successfully snatching it away. A red-tailed hawk repeatedly attempts to catch a wild turkey hen at the New York Botanical Garden, but the turkey manages to survive. The turkey, defending her young, even chases off the hawk. The video also shows a hawk attacking a turkey decoy placed there for observation. It appears a conflict is brewing between the king cobra and the owl. The cobra initiates an attack on the owl, but doesn't seem intent on killing it. Hawks may not be able to carry away mature large ducks, but they can injure them by attacking their backs and potentially fly off with smaller ducklings or young ducks. The fox was eagerly hunting its prey when it suddenly became the target of a distant eagle. Unfortunately, a wolf also fell victim to two golden eagles. When the wolf tried to bite one of the eagles, the eagle retaliated by grabbing the wolf's tongue with its beak. Before its execution, the sparrowhawk pins the jackdaw to the ground. The jackdaw's fate seems sealed as the 11th hour approaches.